The journey of choosing the best employee for any company or organization starts with a job application form. A job application consists of several pieces of information such as personal information, qualification, experience, etc. So much information makes the form complicated and boring. However, Fluent Forms has a solution to this problem. Let's create a multi-step job application form with Fluent Forms. Click the Add New Form. You can go with the pre-built form templates and search for a job listing form. But for this video, we will create one from scratch and explain it step by step for your ease. First thing first, let's add some input fields. For the basic information, let's take name, email, and phone number fields. You can also take an address field from the input fields. Using the input customization option, you can edit input labels, placeholders, and help messages for any input fields. You might be hiring for multiple positions for the job at the same time. By using the radio field, as an employer, wouldn't you like to know the employment status of the applicant? To collect information about this, we can use the drop-down field. Employment status can have many options. Adding a drop-down instead of radio field will save some space in your form. Let's add a multiple choice input field to get an overview of candidates' expertise. As usual, all you need is to add some options according to your preference. To collect information about the educational qualifications and achievements of the applicant, we will use the repeater field because it allows the applicant to add as many qualifications as he requires for the front end. Add necessary columns in the repeater field, rename it, and here we go. Wait, have you noticed that the form is just getting longer? Fluent Forms can divide information into multiple steps. To do so, just go to the Advanced Input Field section and click on Form step. You will see Paging Start, Page Break, and Paging End have appeared in your form. You can drag the page break to divide your form. Need to break in more steps? Just copy the page break or click on the Form step again. A job application without a CV or resume is incomplete. Using Fluent Form's File Upload input field, you can collect applicant CV within the form. You have the options to limit the file size and select the file format you want from the applicant. That's not all. You can also collect multiple files at the same time if needed. Finally, let's customize the Submit button. We are now all set to go with the form. Let's preview it. Looks great, isn't it? What about making it look even more appealing? You can add the step titles or even change the progress indicator and animation type. And if you enable these two checkboxes, your applicants can save and resume the form where they left. Lastly, personalize the previous and next as well from the page break. Or even customize the button color or other form elements colors. Well, let's see if everything works fine or not. Great! That's all for today. We believe this is gonna help you create a job application form easily. If you need any help, comment below and stay connected with us.